Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be filming a video on this look. If you're interested in seeing how I do this, please keep on watching. The first thing that I'm showing you here is that I'm actually using press-on nails, and these are just some regular neutral press-on nails that I got from Amazon, and I'm using this like sticky guards to secure them and stick them onto my nails. I just like to do this. I decided actually just recently to do this so that I can put some content up for you guys without having to actually commit to acrylics. As a lot of you guys know, I am a university student. I'm on my final year and I have exams and I cannot type on my computer with long nails. So once I'm done with exams, I will then do an actual full set. But anyway, after I have applied them, I basically just trim them to whatever length I want them. And now I'm just going in with my hand file and I'm going to file them into a tapered square. Now I'm using my 180 sanding band on a very low speed, so I use a number 3 on my drill, and I'm just removing all the shine from those nails just to make sure I get a good adhesion when I come to apply the acrylic. And one thing I want to mention, you guys, is although those like nail guards aren't the best, I swear to you, like they were just stuck on there really good. So I do really recommend them if you want to apply nails just for a day or two. Because they work really well, and I had these on for a couple of hours and they were stuck on really good. And when I came to take them off, they were actually very easy to take off, causing no discomfort and no damage whatsoever. But anyway, now moving on to acrylics, I'm using Honey Pearl from CJP, and that's just a very gorgeous, like, I think I would describe it as a honey pearl. Yeah, definitely, because it's like a honey color and it's got like pearly iridescent shimmer into it. And I actually really love this color, not only because of it being gorgeous, but the fact is, I don't know if you guys know, but my name is actually Lulu, and Lulu in Arabic means pearl, so that's my name. But anyway, I am just going to apply a full nail of that honey pearl on the thumb and the middle finger, and then I will come back to you for the rest of the design. Now I'm coming in with Mint Ninja from Nailmate Glitter Planet, and I'm just going to apply this gorgeous color all over my ring finger. And at first, as you can see, I struggled with the application, and that was because I had some product stuck on my brush. So I highly recommend that before you apply your acrylic, you want to make sure that the brush is clean and that there's nothing stuck to it, because if you have any acrylic stuck to that brush, it will just disturb the acrylic that you're applying because it'll stick to it and the bead won't move as well as you want it to. So what I found that works really well is after you have applied your bead, you've laid it on the nail, just keep on brushing it. So every single time you touch that bead and pat it onto place, you want to just brush that any product that may be stuck on that brush onto your paper towel, and then you can even dip it in your monomer and then just carry on doing the same thing, making sure you keep wiping that brush, because again, if you have any product, it will stick and it will just be very hard to work with. So now I'm using Honey Pearl again, and I'm just going to apply that closer to the cuticle area, and then I'm just going to blend it halfway because I'm going to be coming in with some gorgeous glitter. And the glitter that I'm using is from DyraLuxe. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I recently just made a purchase and I'm obsessed with her products. She does amazing products, gel polishes, which I will be doing a review on. But this color is actually, or this glitter is actually called Mojito from her website, and I really love the color because it went so well with what I was going for. But yeah, I highly recommend it. And if you want to get any of her products, I will leave the discount code in my description box. I highly recommend you have a look in her website because she is the bomb.com. But anyway, for the pinky, I am actually double dipping in Mint Ninja as well as Honey Pearl, and I'm just creating like a very simple marble. And to finish off that marble, I'm going to apply this magpie glitter called Tiffany, and I'm gonna make it look like lines, like randomly. I hope that makes sense, but you guys will see what I mean. And I really loved the effect. Here I decided to add a little bit more of that gorgeous Mojito glitter on the ring finger, and I've just applied it closer to that cuticle area, blending it halfway into the nail. And that's just to give it more definition because I thought that the nails needed a little bit of extra touch. Now I'm coming in with my clear acrylic, encapsulating all of the nails. You want to make sure you protect all of the design that you have created as well as the colors so that you don't file them off. And then once this is all set and dry, I will come in with my hand file and my e-file, and I will let you guys watch. Actually, before I actually let you enjoy the rest of the footage, I wanted to mention that this hand file is also from DyraLuxe, and it's a 100/180 hand file. And let me tell you guys, I was super impressed with this file. It's one of the best ones that I've used so far. It just makes the nails nice and crisp, and it's got a good grip to it. So I highly recommend it if you want to up your game in filing. Now I'm coming in with the Gel Bottle Inks Gel Polish in Tiffany, which is a gorgeous, creamy, and very highly pigmented color. And I'm just going to apply that onto my plate. And now using a fine art detailer brush, I'm just going to be drawing this random design. I basically just went with it like I did this as a freestyle, and I just wanted to add a little bit of something, and this is what I came up with. So I'll let you guys watch because again, I did not know what I was doing, and it was just something that I came up with. So I've cured that gel design for 60 seconds in my lamp, and now I'm coming in with my CJP tack free top gloss, and I'm just going to apply that on all of the nails and again cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video.